down.
With damage to your roof or trees needing to be removed from your property, a wide range of contractors are offering their services, with quite a few even popping in from out of state. And experts say those are the ones you need to be cautious of.
5 News reporter Lauren Spencer has tips on how to find the right person for that job and avoid losing money.
It can be a problem.
When severe weather hits, contractors know their services are in demand.
Or whether it's a flood, a tornado, just wind damage in general or hail damage, they will go to the areas where the work is needed.
Jimmy Lawson, executive director for the Arkansas Contractors Licensing Board, says with severe weather, you have to be careful who you can trust to help.
Unfortunately, it's also a time when some of these either unlicensed contractors or contractors that may have a bad history with us go out there as well.
He recommends a few steps.
They need to assess the damage and come up with a scope of work that needs to be done. If they are seeking out a contractor, get at least 2 or 3 estimates.
He says ask for references.
Did he do good work? Did he keep good records? Were there any issues with payment?
Never pay a significant amount up front until the work is done. And never sign a contract with spaces left blank related to pricing and the work that will be done.
If a contractor was asking for more than 10% of the contract price, I would be very concerned about that.
We get an influx asking for roofers, siders, your general repairman. You also see a lot of debris removal, tree services.
Kara Carlin with Arkansas Better Business Bureau says she knows impacted people want to get back to normal as quickly as possible, but
in the aftermath, a couple months later, we will see people lose money.
Take your time. It's better to be safe than sorry.
Quick doesn't always mean quality. A reputable company will give you time to do your research and make a decision before they're asking for any kind of down payment or your signature on anything.
Covering news where you live, Lauren Spencer, 5 News.
Thanks, Lauren. And you can call the Arkansas Contractors Licensing Board if you have any questions about a contractor you want to use, and they'll verify that they have a license. You can also check the Better Business Bureau website and search for reviews and ratings and message anyone who might take advantage of those in a message to anyone who might take advantage of this situation. The Benton County prosecutor and the Arkansas Attorney General say they will go after those scammers.